Hello everyone, let's start the class now. So look, we have here some future forms. In this unit we're checking the future forms and we're going to check the two, will and be going to. Both expressions refer to the future, so that means that they are referring to the moments in the timeline. Look at here. Here we have the present, now, and here we have a timeline of events that are going through time. The future forms refer obviously to all the moments in the future. Okay, all of this area here is the future. But you see there are two different forms. We have will and we have be going to. Both of them are different, but both of them refer to the future in different ways. Let's start checking an example. Here we have a conversation between two people. Person A says, "Hey, what are you doing this weekend?" I don't know. I will go camping. I think that it will be a nice day. Oh, I think so too. The sky is free of clouds, so I think it's going to be sunny. I'm going to go to the beach. Nice. I haven't gone for a while. Do you want to come? Yeah, I'm free. I'll go with you. So you see in this conversation, what are they talking about? Are they talking about their present activities? No, not really, right? They are talking about the future, but in different ways. Now let's help ourselves with, let's check a little bit with these colors now. Now look at here. Some sentences here are in color red and some sentences here are in color blue. What do they have in common? Exactly. One of them, the sentences in color red are using be going to, and the sentences in color blue are using will. That's essentially the difference, okay? Please remember, talking about the structure. When you use will, you have to use the verb in what form? Base form, okay? And the same thing with be going to. You have to use be going to and the verb in base form. An important note about be going to. You have to use be, but please remember that you have to use the correct form of be. I am going to go to the beach. It is going to be sunny. Okay, so don't forget, please, you have to use the correct form of the verb to be in each case. That's about the structure. So you see, I will go camping. It will be a nice day. I'll go with you. Oh, I'm going to go to the beach. It's going to be sunny. Hey, what are you doing this weekend? In this case, the person is asking you for what exactly? The person is asking you for your plans in the future. And there are many different ways that we can use the future. Essentially, I like to divide the future in two segments. Some uses that you use with will, and some uses that you have with be going to. Okay? Now, let's begin. In the first case, for example, I don't know, I will go camping. I think that it will be a nice day. I think so too. The sky is free of clouds. Look at this. The sky is free of clouds. So I think it is going to be sunny. It is going to be sunny. So here we have some ideas, some interesting ideas. You can talk about predictions when you use the future. For example, predictions with will and predictions with be going to. Both of them are essentially similar. So that's why I have this here. Both of them are essentially similar, but the little difference is this. Predictions with will are just general predictions. Oh, it will be a nice day. It's not a prediction that you have with evidence. You don't really show evidence in your sentence. That's why in the sentence, the person just says, well, I think that it will be a nice day. And that's it. The person is not saying anything that, oh yes, I have a lot of evidence to show my idea. But when you have some evidence, you can use be going to. Like in the case, the sky is free of clouds. So you're showing some evidence. So I think it is going to be sunny. In that case, you have it is going to be sunny. So that's the difference. In one case, you're showing evidence, and in one case, you're not showing any evidence. Obviously, this is a little bit subjective, so that's why essentially the two are the same. Remember, you can use will or be going to for both cases with predictions. Okay, because sometimes evidence, what's evidence in some situations? Okay, it can be a little bit abstract. Now, another thing. Let's continue. I don't know. I will go camping. I just don't know. And the other person, and let's continue here. Oh, nice. I haven't gone for a while. Do you want to come? Yeah, I'm free. I'll go with you. In these two situations, I'll go with you. I'll go with you. And oh, I will go camping. In these two situations, are you talking about your plans? Not really, right? In these two cases, we are talking about just a decision that we took in the moment. I don't know. I'll go camping, I think. I don't know. I'll go with you. So you see, that's what's happening in this case. Promises and instant decisions. When you decide to do something or when you make a decision in the moment, you are going to use will. I'll go with you. Oh, I'll go camping. Because that's what the person is saying. In these two situations, the person is implying that the decision was taken in that moment. And finally, we have the last case. I think so too. The sky is free of clouds, so I think it's going to be sunny. I am going to go to the beach. In this case, the person is not telling you a decision that they took in the moment. It's not a prediction of the future. Kind of. It's a plan. When you have plans, you use be going to. Okay? That's essentially the difference. I am going to go to the beach. So essentially those are the things. And you may say, teacher, so then can I use be going to for promises and instant decisions? No. And can I use will for plans? No. Okay, so essentially those are the limitations. Will is for predictions. And be going to is for predictions. Will is also for promises and instant decisions. Decisions that you took in the moment. And be going to is for plans. That's essentially the difference between the three things. Okay, so now let's continue with the class.